Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers. The packers and movers are helping you to pack and move your belongings conveniently and most safely. In Pune, you can hire the South Packer and Movers Company to relocate your home and office. Best professional packers and movers, Bangalore, Karnataka in Pune. Our team always brings the copy when they will meet you. Our bills have the registration number. We are the best packers and mover, Pune rate at your budget. Relocation services, Bangalore, Karnataka in Pune. We can involve in handling the entire domestic relocation service in Pune. If you decide to relocate your goods from one place to another in Pune, our professional team can manage this service. Car transport services by car carrier, Bangalore, Karnataka in Pune. You need not worry about the security and reliability. We understand your requirements to move your car from one place to another without any scratches and damages. Bike transport by two-wheeler, body, scooter, body, truck, Bangalore, Karnataka in Pune. Our company offers the motorcycle transportation service at significantly less value. We do not save your money only, and we also save your time and effort. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services, Bangalore, Karnataka in Pune. We can use high-quality packing materials to protect your luggage from damage. Our shifting vehicles are equipped with the proper equipment, which is always supported throughout the relocation process. Commercial complex office, factory, industrial relocation shifting solution, Bangalore, Karnataka in Pune. We can use the best technique that your goods never damaged during the transportation. If you are looking for the best service at the best value, we are here for you. Local transporter services within city, interstate and intrastate transportation, Bangalore, Karnataka in Pune. We now have good choices to select the best one by their faster services and their cost of shifting, packing, moving, and unloading facilities at the newer location. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle, Bangalore, Karnataka in Pune. The pet relocation team is at full capacity and will not be able to accept new clients until different pets, different paths. Good storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available, Bangalore, Karnataka in Pune. For local and international relocation services, you can get the transportation service indeed. With the premium qualities packing, the properties are safely loaded and unloaded for different side directions. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance, Bangalore, Karnataka in Pune. The service makes the customer feel more comfortable about their belongings. This option gives the customer insurance for the damaged products during transportation and while packing. Contact us on www.cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com and mobile number 9405410002.